In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Docusign admin settings in 2026 tutorial, 5 minutes. First, sign into Docusign and head straight to the admin area. You'll need an admin role on the account to access these settings. If your organization uses multiple accounts or environments, make sure you're working in the right one so your changes apply where you expect. Start with your user management. Open the users section, choose add user, and fill in their details. Assign the appropriate permission profile so each person has exactly what they need to do their job. No more and no less. For example, a sender may only need to create and send envelopes, while team leads or IT staff might need broader admin capabilities. Using predefined permission profiles helps you standardize access across the team and reduces manual errors later. Next, set your regional settings. Choose the default time zone and date and time format that match your organization's standards. These defaults apply automatically to new users you add in the future, which keeps reports and envelope timelines consistent. Existing users won't be changed by this, so if you have a global team, pick a corporate default and adjust exceptions on a case-by-case basis. Move on to branding to make your DocuSign experience feel like your organization. Upload your logo, select colors that meet brand and accessibility guidelines, and configure header or footer links that point to helpful resources like your support page or privacy policy. Preview your branding so it looks good on both desktop and mobile, and keep file sizes reasonable for fast loading. Now, tighten up security settings. Set password complexity, length, and rotation policies that meet your compliance requirements. Enable two-factor authentication to add a critical layer of protection for sign-ins. Choose methods that are easy for your team to adopt and document how to enroll so onboarding is smooth and secure. Strong policies here protect sensitive documents and reduce risk. Finally, organize users into groups. Create groups by department or role, assign the right permission profiles to each group, and then add users to those groups. This makes permission management simple and scalable. When someone changes roles, just move them to a different group instead of editing individual permissions. To wrap up, review your changes, save them, and communicate any new standards to your team. With users set up, regional defaults in place, branding applied, strong security policies enforced, and groups organized, your DocuSign account is ready for reliable, secure, and on-brand use.